to our cruise day 2.
Look at this view.
I mean, how can you go wrong? Starting every morning, you literally open your eyes, look to the side, and you see this.
I know, it's just incredible.
It's just breathtaking. It literally is. We slept with the door open last night.
We really
hear
did.
The beautiful waves, the wind. It's just so, like, this is what makes a cruise a cruise. So today is our at-sea day, meaning we spend the whole day on the ship, which we are so excited about because we feel like we haven't even gotten to see half of the ship yet.
Yeah.
We are gonna first start with breakfast. Just sat down for breakfast, and I think we may have one of the best seats in the house. Look at this. We're right in the middle of the ship, Symphony of the Seas. You can overlook all of the balconies. Oh, there's a zip line right here. See this person going across? We're gonna for sure do that. We can't wait to show you the upper decks here, but first let's just start with breakfast.
Yeah.
All right, they have everything here. We got French toast, waffles, pancakes, cinnamon rolls, eggs, sausage, bacon, hash brown, avocado toast.
This is the best looking avocado toast I've ever seen.
They have fruit parfaits, they have rice, they have pretty much anything you could think of. Breakfast is served, I think it's 7:30 to 11, and then lunch starts right after that. It goes from like 11 to 2, I want to say. So we are eating up at the Windjammer. It's a buffet. They have a ton of protocols in place right now. So you wash your hands before you come in. Everything's sanitized. Tables even have a little sticker that says clean and ready for you to enjoy, which is great. This is awesome.
This is perfect.
What better way to start the day? Also, you guys, if you are curious, this is all included. This whole buffet is included free of charge with your purchase of the cruise,
Best thing ever.
which is awesome.
Finished up with dinner. We just finished up with breakfast.
Breakfast, oh my gosh, you guys, it was amazing. So delicious. So now we are gonna walk the ship a little bit, and we thought for today's video we wanted to share the ship with you because there's so many fun things to do, to see. Right now we are literally
right in front of us is something called Central Park.
overlooking Central Park. So it's the middle of the ship. They literally have created a park, there's restaurants, walkways, there is a cafe over there that's included with your fare cruise, which is awesome.
Right here.
So we'll walk down there in a little bit. Wherever you are, if you just look over this way, you see all the open elevators. They have some really cool art pieces over here. It's just, the whole experience is awesome. And just like that, we made it to the pool deck, you guys. Heading over to the fitness center. There's also a track that goes around the whole ship. I think we're gonna walk around. But as you can hear, there's music playing, people everywhere. It's so much fun. Just the vibe of a cruise
Vibe
ship.
here is so cool. There's so many things to do here. It's awesome.
Some pools over here. On the other side, we have a kids whole center for play. There's water slides, deck chairs galore.
Guys, look how beautiful and epic this looks. It's so freaking cool. That's where we ate at earlier. So this is like the buffet area, which is awesome. This is amazing though.
Okay, can I just say, we will be back here. Look at these pool chairs, the view of the ocean, laying out in the sun.
Oh, amazing.
Doesn't get better than that.
Britt, if you're ever gonna be looking for me, you can find me right here, baby. Look at this, tower of power right there. So many awesome slides. These two look almost identical, but that one right there has a clear like tube. That would be so much fun. Check out this pool right here. They got two massive pools. One that you guys saw earlier over here. This one, and then there's a kiddie one right here with like a splash pad. So epic. We got hot tubs as well. So question that everyone's asking is if you're gonna be racing me down the water slides. Oh yeah. Okay guys, we are on the other side now of the Central Park. We were just way over there, but check this out. It goes all the way through the ship, as you guys can tell, and each elevator is just the coolest experience. All different types of artwork. Man, this is cool.
So we just came to one of the specialty restaurants. This is called the Hooked Seafood. A lot of you guys have been asking, is the food included? So there's certain food that's included. It's called main dining, but there are some specialty restaurants that you can pay for just like any other restaurant if you want to have some different experiences, you could say. So I think there's around 6 or 7 on this ship, and this one looks awesome. Are you ready for a stroll to Central Park? Not talking about New York, we're in the ocean.
That's right. Central Park, here on Symphony of the Seas.
Incredible.
This is sick. Look at this.
Like,
that is just insane.
They got benches, they got restaurants. It's awesome. I'm laughing so hard. So, do you hear those birds? I was like, they even have birds? And Jared's like, Britt, they're fake.
Yeah, it's just an audio track playing over and over again.
They sound so real.
It really does sound so real. Guys, look at this. This is a boat. This is inside of a boat right now.
We're inside of this like
so cool.
glass
I
thing
love
with
it.
chairs all around.
So cool. It is so dope.
Awesome.
Look at that.
So there's the Park Cafe here, and there's an Italian restaurant, and there's another restaurant called Vintage over here. As you can see too, there's balcony rooms that overlook the park. That would be really awesome.
Yeah, this would be really fun to have like kind of like a balcony room that overlooks the park. Okay guys, so we got the Park Cafe over there. We got another little bar right here. We have more walkways that you can kind of go down and just stroll through. We got Chops Grill over here.
Chops Grill, that does sound very
So this is a specialty restaurant. We may have to check one of these out.
I want to come back and see Park Cafe because that's included with the cruise. So I want to kind of see what they offer.
So to get from one side of the ship to the other, you can take the deck upstairs that we were on where you overlook the ocean, which is pretty dope. Or you can go this way. Oh my gosh, there is a bird. There are birds. What in the world? There's a bird right here. I was gonna say, or you can take the Central Park route, but look at this, there's an actual real bird. What? There's a glint.
Hey, I'm not the crazy one anymore.
You know what? Royal Caribbean has gone above and beyond in this artificial reality stuff.
Oh
it looks so realistic.
Well, it is. Those are real.
I know it's real.
They're real birds, you guys. We're on our way to the fitness center, but I want to show you this is an overlook of the promenade. That's like the main shopping area of the ship. Tons of different shops, things to do, places to see. Look at this cool stairway down here. That goes down to one of the theaters, which is really fun. There's tons of shows on the ship. So we will definitely go walk around, show you all of that down there, but I thought this was kind of a cool overlook of the whole thing.
Speaking of the promenade and the pizza and all the food, it's time to go work off that food here at the fitness center.
They have a fitness center and spa. One awesome thing too, you guys, they have hand sanitizer stations everywhere, pretty much at every entrance to wherever you go.
I gotta say, this fitness center is bigger than like most gyms fitness centers. This thing is huge. It's absolutely massive in here.
They got everything. They got weights, they got treadmills, aerobics. They even have what looks like a ballet bar room, which I'm gonna love to be in a lot. And the views with the treadmills looking out to the water, I mean, doesn't get better than that. Just down from the gym is the running track slash walking track.
This is dope.
Let's see how we open it. Whoa.
So this thing is indoors and outdoors. So it makes it super easy. There's just one way you need to go. All right, baby, this is the starting line right here.
I'm curious to see how long it takes us to do one loop. I'm gonna time us.
Oh, I feel like it's going to take a long time because right here it opens up and that's the ocean, baby.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, we got ping pong right here. That's dope. Wow. Look at that view.
Wow.
That's incredible.
Air coming in.
Yeah. Okay, I feel like this is gonna take forever. Look at that. That is incredible.
And then you guys might see these yellow things. So these are lifeboats.
Yes, and these things are huge. They're very nice as well, so they can fit a ton of people. So I've actually ridden in one of these before. It wasn't an emergency situation. It's just because the cruise ship was not able to get close enough to the port, so they had everyone load up into these things, which was a cool experience. And then we rode over to the port, which was really fun.
Yeah, you're just walking through. We can see a little piece of land. We believe that's Cuba we are passing right now. And on this side, you might peek in. This is one of the dining rooms.
Yes, in fact, this is where we go eat.
Hey guys, I keep thinking of the movie The Parent Trap, you know, in the boat when they're eating dinner. Also, we keep saying we wish we were in the dining room instead of on the running track.
This 3K is gonna take forever. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow. You guys, this is the back of the boat. Holy moly. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I am gripping onto this camera like crazy right now, but this is awesome.
So cool.
Look at that view right there. Oh my gosh, it just doesn't get better. Land. Oh my gosh, yes, that's land right there. You can see it. That's Cuba, baby. We can see Cuba from where we are cruising. Workout is completed. That AC feels nice.
All right, you guys, we made it to near the front of the ship. This little section is called the solarium. Really relaxing, quiet, way different than over by the pool
Yeah.
where all the music's bumping
Very
and
different.
everything.
There's like no
that.
music over here. It's very chill.
I think this is adults only.
Okay, so after the gym, we were reading through some of your guys' comments and saw that one of you guys said that there's a secret lookout on deck 14. Well, we're on deck 15 in the solarium right now, and deck 14 is right there. The secret lookout is right over here.
That is awesome.
We're gonna figure out how to get down there because that looks insane.
I think there might be stairs in the solarium down to it, but we gotta get out there. This is so cool.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is the front. This is the very front of the boat. Look at this awesome helipad. Oh my gosh, thank you so much to whoever said this. We're gonna have to look you up and thank you. Wow, this is incredible. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So that's the secret lookout right there. We're going there next, but wow, this is dope.
Open.
I know this.
So cool.
Oh my gosh, here we go, guys. Through the door to the secret dock. Oh my gosh, this is rad. This is super rad. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, we are on the secret lookout dock. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, the floor
Wow,
is even glass.
it's glass. Look at that.
That is
Please don't
so
break right now.
cool.
Wow, you can really see how fast we're going
You
from
guys,
here.
I feel like I'm on it.
Don't let go.
Never let go.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
The ship right there looks like, I guess that's a helicopter pad.
Yeah, that's a helipad. This is so cool. Okay, so we just found out there's two secret little decks here, and they're both equally as cool as the other one. This one over here actually has like a viewfinder type thing, like binoculars. I just saw a fish.
A fish jump?
I saw like a big, yeah, like a marlin almost.
Might be a dolphin. No, fish.
That would be dope. Yeah, that would be really dope.
Guys,
And this is unreal.
incredible.
Look at this. Look at this view right now. We are actually sitting out over the water.
We love cruises. We made it outside.
Yeah.
We are getting all set up down in these pool chairs. You literally see the ocean right there. Jared's gonna go hit the water slides right now. Water slides are over there. I have a feeling he'll be gone for a little bit on those. I gotta say, this is heaven. I mean, look at what is behind me. That background, I'm pretty much up here on the pool deck all by myself. Jared is over doing the slides right now, but I gotta show you. There is this little cloud coming in. It almost looks like a little storm cloud, but it's clear there, clear over there. Look how pretty that is. A ton of you guys have been commenting. You've never thought about going on a cruise. Well, I'm telling you, you should go on one if you can. It is just such a fun way to travel. Not only are days on the ship so fun, but then you land in these amazing places. You get to go explore those. It has been an absolute dream. Speaking of a dream, someone just got back. How was it?
It was so much fun.
Oh my gosh.
So I tried to capture it for all of you guys, but they said no cameras. Of the three, blue is extremely disorienting. It's like pitch black, tons of twists and turns. Yellow is chill, relaxing. And the green is by far the best.
Oh
it is
my
so
gosh.
much fun. There's clear tubes, there's lights on the inside. It's super crazy. Then it opens up into this massive, big old bowl. You swirl around. I actually swirled around 3 times before you go down into a little chute.
That's fun.
Vacation!
You guys, we love it. Cruises are amazing.
Come join
Amazing,
us
amazing.
in Cozumel. This ship never ceases to amaze me how freaking just cool it is. Oh my gosh. I mean, look at this. Look how big it is. So, for any of you who are wondering, this is called the Symphony of the Seas. It joins the Oasis of the Seas class, which I think is like Allure of the Seas, Oasis of the Seas, and a couple others. But I'd be curious if any of you guys have actually been on Symphony of the Seas. Definitely let us know down below. Oh my gosh. I mean, just look at this view. Oh my gosh, literally nothing in sight. Just beautiful blue open water. Ah, time to get a drink, baby.
Well, here comes Jared. Oh, Diet Cokes all day. So we actually purchased a soda package.
If you don't do that, they offer like water and lemonade, I believe.
Yes, for free.
Which is definitely totally awesome.
Yeah.
And at breakfast you get free juices, at lunch you get free juices, that sort of thing.
Or you could pay per soda as well if you didn't want to buy the entire drinking package. But anyways, we kind of splurged and got the soda package.
I know. It is, if you do buy in advance, they give you like 30% off. So definitely buy in advance.
So you guys are going back up to the buffet to see what they offer for dinner. Look how cool the steps. Ah, that's so cool. Let me see if this side does it. Yeah. All right, guys, we finished up with the pool and we wanted to come back to the Windjammer buffet because
why not?
Because why not? No, it's around 5 o'clock. Our dinner reservation isn't until 8. That was one of our questions is what do you do if your dinner reservation isn't so late? Well, they have a buffet here with everything. And we're gonna get a little pre-gaming on for dinner.
Well guys, after that late lunch, early dinner, we weren't that hungry, so we just came back to the room. Sunset, we watched that, and now we're looking at the moon right now. This is the coolest thing in the world. I think getting this balcony was the best thing we ever done because we spend so much time hanging out here, looking at the ocean, watching the sunrise, watching the sunset. It's just beautiful. I mean, look at this, look at that. That's just incredible. And the fact that we can just have the door open. Anyways, today has been awesome from start to finish. There's so many different things that we wanted to show you. We just didn't have time, but we'll make sure to show you guys the rest of the ship, including the promenade shows, stuff like that, and upcoming vlogs. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Tomorrow we get to Cozumel, so we are stoked for that. But tonight, you guys, we're gonna call it. We love you so much. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.